गोंय स्वतंत्र राज्य उरचें काय महाराष्ट्रात विलीन जावचें हाचो कौल गोंयकारांक दिलो तो 16 जानेर 1967 भारतांतलो पयलो एकोडो जनमत कौल गोंयांत जालो। 2 पानांचें जैत जालें। 54.24% मतां ही महाराष्ट्रांत विलीनीकरणा आड आशिल्ली। एके वाटेन सामाजीक पांवड्यार जॅक सिकेराचे चळवळींत फुडारपण, जाल्यार केंद्र सरकारी पांवड्यार पुरुषोत्तम काकोडकर सारकिल्याची चिकाटी। हिंदू तितलोच क्रिस्तांव समाज ह्या निर्णायक चळवळींत आनी निर्णायक कौलांत वांटेकार। उदयबाब म्हणटा देर इज नो फादर टू ओपिनियन पोल। ताच्या कोतान जॅक सिकेर सारकेल्या सामाजीक आनी राजकीय फुडाऱ्या बरोबर केंद्रांत तेन्ना खासदार आशिल्लो पुरुषोत्तम काकोडकराचोय तितलोच मोलाचो वांटो। गोंयकार फुडाऱ्याच्या ह्या राजकीय आनी सामाजीक दबावाचेर देशांतलो पयलो एकाडो जनमत कौल जालो। उदयबाब पुरुषोत्तम काकोडकराच्या जनमत कौला फाटल्या योगदाना विशीं सांगता।
ओपिनियन पोलाचो कोणूय फादर आसा अशें हांव मानना, पूण ओपिनियन पोल हाडपाच्या संबंदान जो निर्णय जालो तातूंत पुरुषोत्तम बाब काकोडकर हांकां खूब मोठें श्रेय पावता। 1965 वर्सा लालबहादूर शास्त्रीजी प्रधानमंत्री आशिल्ले। तांच्या मंत्रिमंडळान निर्णय घेतलो की गोंयांत मिड टर्म पोल घेवचो आनी जो राजकीय पक्ष जिखून येता ताका कितें जाय त्या प्रमाणे गोंयचें विलीनीकरण करचें वा ना करचें। हाका विरोध जालो। हाका विरोध जातकच कांय व्हडले पावल पडले ना आनी तें तशेंच उरलें। मागीर शास्त्रीजी रशियेक गेल्ले कडेन अकस्मात हार्ट एटॅकान गेले, परत तें तशेंच उरलें। 1966 वर्सा पुरुषोत्तम बाब काकोडकर इंदिरा गांधी हांकां मेळ्ळे, ती प्रधानमंत्री जाली आनी सांगलें की हो निर्णय सारको ना, हो चुकला, इलेक्शन हो मार्ग न्ही लोकांची मतां घेवपाचें। इंदिरा गांधीन सांगलें की ना, निर्णय घेतिल्लो आसा पूण ताका हात लायना। पुरुषोत्तम बाब काकोडकर मोरारजी देसाईक मेळ्ळे। मोरारजी देसाईन सांगलें तूं कन्फ्यूज जाला, कॅबिनेटीचो निर्णय बदलूंक जायना। मागीर ते सका पाटील हांकां मेळ्ळे आनी 1966 वर्साच्या सप्टेंबर म्हयन्यांत काँग्रेसच्या पार्लमेंटरी बोर्डाची बसक जावपाची आशिल्ली। सका पाटील हांकां तें पटलें, पुरुषोत्तम बाब काकोडकर कितें सांगताले तें, आनी त्या प्रमाणे ते बसकेंत तांणी तो मुद्दो काडलो आनी सगळ्यांक पटयलो की वेंचणूक हो मार्ग न्हय म्हणून ठरोवपाचो, हाका वेगळे कितें तरी वेवस्था आसूंक जाय। आनी जो ठराव पास जालो तातूंत उतरां वापरली मेकॅनिझम, असो एक मेकॅनिझम आसचो की जातूंतल्यान लोकांची इच्छा कितें आसा ती खात्री करून पळोवची। पूण आमच्या संविधानांत रेफरंडम घेवपाची वेवस्था ना, ते खातीर कायदो करचो पडलो आनी मागीर कायदो केलोय बी। दि गोवा दमन दीव ओपिनियन पोल एक्ट हो कायदो केलो, पूण तो कायदो करता आसतना ह्या मेकॅनिझमाक कितें उतर वापरचें हो प्रश्न आयलो आनी तेन्ना घर खात्याचे सचिव LP सिंग हांणी ओपिनियन पोल हें नांव सुचयलें आनी ओपिनियन पोल मागीर घडून आयलो। पूण मिड टर्म पोल जर जाल्लो जाल्यार खात्रीन गोंयचें विलीनीकरण जातलें आशिल्लें। तें टाळून ओपिनियन पोलाचो निर्णय घेवंक लावपाची सगळी श्रेय पुरुषोत्तम बाब काकोडकर हांकां वता।
आमी दोतोर जॅक सिकेराच्या फामिली कडेन तो काळ, ते दीस, त्या परिस्थितींच्यो यादी काडल्यो।
Eventually, in the first election, the Congress got routed. The MGP, led by Dayanand Bandodkar, was its president, but he didn't contest the first elections. They got a majority of seats, and the UG came as the principal party. And then Dayanand Bandodkar, they asked him to be the chief minister, and he got someone stepped down. He contested a by-election, and he became the chief minister. So the first 3-4 years, I think, of that assembly, the only issue was merger and what would be the language of Goa. And while the MG said that because we have won these elections, we should be merged, people are with it. Whereas the UG from the beginning countered it by saying, you have won a general election. You have not won where the only question before the Goan people should be that whether you want to merge or you do not want to merge. And I think it was because of UG's strong opposition and also the Congress was receptive at the center to this that eventually the opinion poll came. And Goa decided to remain separate by some 34,000 votes. September 63 and 4-5 पार्ट्यो मर्ज जाल्यो आनी तेणें केली युनायटेड गोवन्स पार्टी And they appointed my grandfather as the president, is what I heard, because he had this charismatic ability to connect with people. He was a brilliant orator. People, he could gather people. And from there, that is what I know, that is how he got into politics. In 1980, my grandfather had lost an election, and like a lot of the people who came from that generation, they said that once the people rejected them, they were taken a politics and pote osong na. And he was of that generation. Said the people no longer want me, I will not contest again. So there was not much discussion of politics around him, but he was a businessman, and he had this office called Agencia Sequeira, which was a big trading firm at that time. And he had a big office where he would sit. And the main memory which I had was when we used to enter his office, there was one big sign which had his photo on a call, and he had put there that Goa would not become the backyard of Maharashtra. So I think for a significant 5-6 years, that was his main, that was the thing that drove him, that any cost that Goa should be retained. And the memory asli poili sakun. And a lot of the other interactions, whenever I would go out as a child, people would, give me respect which flowed because of what my grandfather did. And they would come and say, thanks to him, Goa is separate. We are grateful and all. So that naturally got me an interest, and I felt very proud on what he stood for.